Hello everyone, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to our channel. I'm back with another exciting video. Today I'm planning to make ultimate summer salad. I'm trying to use all the ingredients which is in season, especially mango. I'm gonna use some fresh cucumber, tomatoes. It's gonna be a very delicious salad, and it's also pretty healthy and refreshing salad, and one of my favorite salad to eat. Please enjoy this video and thanks for tuning in. So for this recipe, I'm gonna cut some onion. You need just a little bit of everything. So I'm gonna small dice. Also a small dice. Some cherry tomato. And also fresh romaine leaf. Summertime, so mint is very good. Whenever you make salad, add mint in there and keep you cool and refresh. Avocado. So I'm using one avocado for this. Also dice. Orange. I'm gonna peel it off. We're gonna use orange section. So I'm gonna show you how to do orange section also. So now I'm gonna peel the star of the salad, mango. It's not as good as Pakistani and Indian mangoes. The salad looks very nice. So now we're gonna marinate our beautiful ultimate summer salad. So I'm gonna add some olive oil. I'm trying to keep it really fresh. So a touch of nice olive oil. So I'm gonna use some lemon juice also. Honey, just about a teaspoon worth of honey. Black pepper, salt. We have a pink salt, Himalayan salt. So we're gonna just lightly toss them together, not too much, just gently mix everything. Look really summery, fresh salad. So now I'm gonna do is a little bit of presentation. A small salad plate. I have some green leaf as a center point. So I'm gonna just slide all the fresh salad here. Voila. I'm gonna do some orange section, which is I saved earlier. So we're gonna put some orange section also, just to give a little extra color. And some reddish, it's up to you. Gonna make some star, cucumber star. Just like this, we're gonna add it to the garnish. And a little bit of garnish at top. And mint, fresh. So thanks for watching this video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Came out very nice, look amazingly tasty. Please do try this recipe, pretty simple and easy to make. Very refreshing salad. And follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. If you like our video, consider subscribe our channel. I will be back pretty soon. Take care of yourself, stay safe. Allah Hafiz everyone.